Hey, Kane.
What?
What you doing?
Being.
What you got? Okay. We're over here by the lake, and we brought our excavator with us. And there's some really nice gravel over here. So we thought we would do some excavating. And there's Jackson over there. Hey Jackson, do those buttons work on that?
No. Can you go red for me? Yeah. I need to haul this Gatorades to the concession stands. Thank you. Walk down. Okay. There's a forklift. Do you see it?
That's some nice gravel right there. Good old Texas gravel.
Yeah.
And they built this road.
We push these rocks out of the way.
All the way to the lake. It's not really a road, it's more like a path. What? You see a forklift?
Yeah. See that?
Is it on the other side?
Yeah, it's a forklift. It's red. It's got, there it is. Do you see it?
Yeah. Yeah, they're doing some forklifting on the other side of the lake over there.
By the house.
Yeah.
I wish I lived right there so I could just walk to that road. I see a rule. What is this? It's red.
Let me see. Yeah, we brought a couple other trucks with us.
Is that water or?
It says scorched on the side, and they deliver water or whatever type of drinks. And here in the summer, we definitely need some of that. There you go. What else you got? Let me see that green car.
That's a race car.
That's a cool race car. So you building a road for the race car, King?
King, you got that truck. I'm just gonna build the road.
Let's see Jackson doing some excavating.
That's a new hug.
Good sharing, guys. Except when you got a 2-year-old, it's really
Annoying.
whatever the 2-year-old wants, right?
I'll have this race car too. We park it right there. Hey, hurry up. We need to go to the concession stand.
Are you making a concession stand?
No, he's making a road that I need to go on.
Oh, so the race car needs a road.
That's what's right there. Okay, I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna go up the diggy over there. Right here.
Drive him off. So now we're right at the edge of the lake, and Jackson has decided that he's going to do some digging in the dirt. And Kane is over there throwing rocks in. It's very shallow. God forbid, even if he fell in, it wouldn't be bad because the water's so shallow. Let's see some digging right here.
Oh, there's water. A little bit.
Is there water down there?
No, there's a little bit of wet.
Yeah.
Stick a bit. Put that up. Hang it. There we go.
Alright.
Get this rock.
Good excavating, and that's exactly what they're for, aren't they? Get those big rocks and things out of there so
Mud.
you can build whatever it is you're trying to build.
I'll do that next.
That dock is just making creaking noises.
What does that mean?
It just means the water's moving it around. It's okay, that's part of it. Alright, so we dug in some gravel, we dug in some dirt, and now we're finishing up by digging in some lake water. You never know what you might find. Maybe you'll get a fish.
Oh.
Ah, Excavator's going for a swim in the lake. I bet he never thought that would happen. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but Jackson caught a fish. So unfortunately, that fish has seen better days. It looks like he is expired. Yes, his eyes are open, but that's just part of what happens. Back up a little bit. I can't see. Alright, guys, we'll let you get back to it, Jackson and Kane. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hey, Jackson, let me see your shirt. Awesome. Garbage trucks rule. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Hey, Vaughn, what's the date?
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. So on 7-Eleven here in Texas, and I'm assuming all over the country, what do you get?
A free 12-ounce Slurpee.
A free 12-ounce Slurpee. What flavor did you get, Jackson?
I got cherry.
Yum. Cherry.
And also
Coconut. Cherry and coconut. What'd you get? So as promised a few days ago, we said we had something on the way.
Lego. You're right.
They have no idea what it is.
Whoa. Yeah, we did.